great day for wing gliding. Let's hope it stays that way. Toothless, is that launcher ready yet? We've got wing gliders coming. Oops, can't have a wing glider with no wings. I hope nothing else goes wrong. Here it goes. With these wings, you'll soar over birds just like a dragon. But you have to fish the afterstick. Which is a terrible thing to forget. We'll see. Straight up. Yay! Well, there's nothing boring or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving. Gang, like we're sitting, we need to get out of here. And they're at it. Okay, and launch. Toothless and me for a ride anytime. But just be aware, a lot of the dragon training around here is the dragon training us. Yeah, Toothless, quit sliding my face. I just brushed my teeth. Now gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the wing glider. Don't leave anything behind. I don't want to chase down some crazy dragon because they thought your ass was a throw toy.